Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I will be talking to you about Aspect Pigment Punch. Skin concerns such as age spots, brown spots, hormonal marks, blotchy, uneven skin tones, red, brown acne scars can be unsightly blemishes and can add years to your appearance and ruin your complexion. Up until recently, the only reliable method of cosmetically removing these annoying imperfections was with the use of irritating and potentially dangerous chemical skin lighteners. But now, a breakthrough discovery by one of Europe's leading biotechnology companies has shown that a specific extraction of Rumex occidentals, a plant native to the Canadian prairies, can clarify and brighten the appearance of unsightly age spots and discolorations without causing irritation and trauma to the skin. So innovative was the discovery that the ingredient was patented and named Tyrostat. Clinical studies prove that the topical use of just 3% Tyrostat begins to brighten the complexion from the very first application and can diminish the visible appearance of unsightly age spots and pigmentation marks by an impressive 25% in just 6 weeks. Now, for the first time, you can benefit from this natural discovery and enjoy a dramatically clearer, brighter, more evenly toned skin and complexion, not to mention a vital boost in self-confidence thanks to Pigment Punch. Pigment Punch is a fast-absorbing transepidermal serum and containing 10% Tyrostat. That's more than 3 times the concentration used in clinical studies. It also contains a cocktail of pure botanical antioxidants such as wasabi extract and vitamin E, along with lactic acid to gently exfoliate, brighten, soothe and calm the skin. Now, the Pigment Punch is ideal for anyone concerned with age spots, uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. It's also suitable for a sensitive skin. To use, you would apply a small pea-sized amount all over your face in the morning and the evening. It works great with your extreme C20 in the daytime. Now, it can be used as a spot treatment only and for anyone who has scarring from acne. So if you would like to purchase the Pigment Punch, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.